Right. First of all, this is a privilege and honor for me, great honor for me to be in front of this close to 30,000 champions in two big properties of Las Vegas. How do we think, just like 5.5 years back, being driving a taxi on a street and speaking in front of 30,000 people. This is dramatic change in the life, and WFG delivers that. And it's all about going to work on daily basis and do the things which are required to be done and make a difference for our families and many other families out there. So if I look at my story, 14 years in Canada, I think every point is a turning point in my life, 14 years. I came to Canada in 2000. In the beginning, there's a lot of dreams, a lot of hopes, but at the same time, I came to Winnipeg, Manitoba in Canada and started a factory job washing jeans, and that was plus 50 degrees in the laundromat. And I did that for 6 months, and then I decided to do something else. So I chose to start pump gas at the gas station. And then that moves me from plus 50 degrees to minus 50 degrees to pump gas. And that happens. And obviously, I pumped the gas for almost 2.5 years at the gas station in Winnipeg. And now the other turning point came in when I start seeing those taxi drivers. Now they can control the temperature inside the cab. Right? So I just start thinking about getting in the taxi business. So I chose to become a taxi owner in Winnipeg, and I drove taxi in Winnipeg. And finally one day, in my cab, there was some mishappening, shootout, and I made a decision that I'm not going to do this for the rest of my life. So our family made a decision to move from Winnipeg to Alberta, and Alberta, Edmonton. And this is how we came to Edmonton in 2006. In 2006, and at the same time, we were looking for something else instead of taxi, but there's no other choice. I started driving taxi again in Edmonton as well. So while I was driving taxi in 2008, I got a phone call. And you know, that is just a moment. You do not know what's going to happen in the next 1 hour, in the next 1 minute, in the next 1 second. So I got that phone call from a stranger person who never met me before. He got my name from the person who knows me from Toronto, and he said, I have a business opportunity to share with you. And I said, okay. So we sit together. He came to our house, shared the information about World Financial Group. He recruited me on the spot. I wasn't clear in the beginning what type of business I'm getting into. Been to their 3 trainings. I don't really understand. This is a financial services business. This is true story. And finally, in 2008, they said, okay, we really want to see the bigger picture. If you really want to see something big, we want you to go to Las Vegas. And they bring me here in 2008, Las Vegas, without registration, no license, nothing. But I just came up to Las Vegas. And in 2008 convention, somehow, because of higher regulations, they weren't accepting any registration at the door. So I need to stand outside the door and looking at this big group of people inside the hall. So after a couple of days standing at the door, I left back, I talked to my trainer, I said I'm all in. Because I see all these people here, this is something big. And this is the thing I want. Once I get back home, and now family said, what did you see? I said, this is something big. I all in, I got my license, I start getting the license in a week, I started working on my 330. Biggest challenge I had is the list in the beginning because I was new to Edmonton. So I started with the 5 people name list, and after 4 months in the business, I made $2,000. And now family said, you said this is something big, and you made $2,000 in 4 months. Right? And I said, this is something big, but it requires big commitment. And that is the biggest turning point in my career in World Financial Group. and when I sit down with the family, they said, if this is something big and requires big commitment, obviously what do you need to do? I said, I need to go full time. Okay? And they said, okay, if we are investing $30,000, we are investing 200, 300,000 on any other business, we're gonna do other business, and why not you put 30,000 on site for next 6 months, and that is gonna take care of household expenses, and we can go all in, and you can go all in. So I go all in full time in September 2008.